More cases of coronavirus were announced in Washington state Sunday, including a second death. That tops our news making national headlines this morning. 4 new cases are all connected to a possible outbreak at a Life Care nursing facility in Kirkland, where 2 other previous cases were previously reported. One of the 4 patients, a man in his 70s, died at Evergreen Health Medical Center Saturday. Health officials say the man had underlying health conditions, as did the first man in Washington who died from the virus. That man in his 50s was the first reported death from COVID-19 in the U.S.
An Oregon elementary school is closed after a school employee there tested positive for coronavirus. The employee works at Forest Hills Elementary in Lake Oswego. School officials say the employee was last at the school February 19th. They tested positive for coronavirus Friday, becoming the first presumed case in the state. Officials have elected to close Forest Hills until March 4th, allowing a 2-week waiting period for those who may have been exposed to the sick employee. While closed, the school will also be cleaned. School officials say it's likely the employee only had close contact with a few individuals. State and local health agencies are working to trace and notify those people.
Pete Buttigieg has dropped out of the Democratic presidential race. The former mayor of South Bend, Indiana, made the announcement in the city Sunday night, and despite winning in the Iowa caucuses, Buttigieg had a poor showing in the South Carolina primary, winning just 3% of black votes according to NBC exit polls. Buttigieg, an Afghanistan war veteran and the first openly gay candidate for president from a major political party, says his goal now is to unify the Democratic Party against President Donald Trump. Another former Democratic candidate, Tom Steyer, had dropped out of the race the day before Buttigieg.